Talking from Newton study. Today I am going to teach physics of class 10th. Today I am going to explain about some defined terms. First of all, incident ray. Incident ray. The ray of light which falls on the reflected surface is called incident ray. When the ray of light which falls on the reflected surface is called incident ray, which is clear the following graph. This ray is incident ray because it falls on the reflected surface, and this ray is reflected ray because it is reflected by the surface. The ray of light which falls on the reflected surface is called incident ray of light. Next है reflected ray. The ray of light which gets reflected from a polished surface is called reflected of light. मैंने कहने का मतलब यह है कि जो रे जो है रिफ्लेक्टेड सरफेस से जो है रिटर्न किया जाता है, कम बैक किया जाता है, उसको हम रिफ्लेक्टेड रे कहते हैं. द रे विच इज रिफ्लेक्टेड बाय द सरफेस इज कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. द रे विच इज कम बैक इन द सेम डायरेक्शन इज नोन एज रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. नेक्स्ट टर्म है नॉर्मल. ए लाइन एट राइट एंगल टू रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस इज कॉल्ड द नॉर्मल. ए लाइन एट राइट एंगल टू द रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस इज कॉल्ड द नॉर्मल. It is denoted by the letter N. The ray of light which is perpendicular to the surface is known as normal. The line which is perpendicular to the surface is known as normal. It is denoted by the N. This line is known as normal because it is perpendicular to the surface. The ray or the line which is perpendicular to the surface is known as normal. Next term, angle of incidence. The angle made by the incident ray with normal is called incident angle. Angle of incident or incident angle. The angle which is made by the incident ray with normal is known as angle of incident or incident angle. Next, angle of reflection. The angle made by the reflected ray with normal is called the angle of reflection. The angle which is formed by the reflected ray and normal is known as angle of reflection या reflected angle. It is denoted by the letter R. ये जो है लेटर R के द्वारा डिनोट किया जाता है. Next, point of incidence. The point on the reflected surface at which reflected ray falls is called point of incident. The point on the reflected surface. The point on the reflected surface on which ray falls is known as point of incidence. This point O point denotes point of incidence. Point of incidence. Point O denotes point of incidence. The point on the surface, on the reflected surface at which incident ray falls is known as पॉइंट ऑफ इंसिडेंट। मैंने जिस पॉइंट पर जो है इंसिडेंट रे फॉल करती है उसको हम पॉइंट ऑफ इंसिडेंट कहते हैं। जो रे जो है पॉइंट ऑफ इंसिडेंट पर फॉल करेगी उसको हम इंसिडेंट रे, जो रे या लाइन जो है रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस के परपेंडिकुलर होगा दैट इज कॉल्ड नॉर्मल। द रे व्हिच इज come back by the reflecting surface is known as reflected ray. Now I stop my teaching. I will see you in next video with new topic. Thank you.